Hey, what's going on? So I am currently at 14832 East 38th Street here in Tulsa, and I want to show you this house behind me because today, honestly, this one is really hard to walk past. This home was built in 2023, so it's only 3 years old, and you can feel that the moment that you walk in. Everything is modern, everything is clean, and there is nothing waiting that's going to cost you money after you close on your next home. That alone separates this one from a lot of what you're gonna see in this price range. This home is a 3-bedroom, it's a 2 full bath, 2-car garage, 1,419 square feet, listed at a whopping $265,000. Now here's something a lot of people don't realize about this address. Even though it's in Tulsa, you're sitting in Broken Arrow School District, and look, Broken Arrow is my stomping grounds. I know this area very, very well. Matter of fact, US News just named it the 6th best medium-sized city to live in the entire country. And it's considered to be ranked the safest city as well in Oklahoma. That's the kind of place that you feel good putting down roots. Now this home does have a privacy fenced backyard, a covered patio, open floor plan, Energy Star rated appliances, and it's FHA and VA eligible. This is genuinely a move-in ready home. You close it, you unpack, and you get right to living. All of my contact and information about this home is in the description below. My name is Michael Saveth, a Tulsa Realtor and a land flipper. Reach out directly and let's make something happen. Now, here is a beautiful East Tulsa home. Enjoy the walkthrough.